The 2023 Escalade serves as a rolling showcase of Cadillac's best technology and luxury features, which makes it a worthy vehicle to serve as the luxury brand's flagship. The cabin is lined with the best materials Cadillac can muster, including genuine wood, rich leather, designer fabrics, and satin-finished metals. A series of large, curved displays dominate the Escalade's dashboard, serving as gauge cluster and infotainment center. That, along with a host of standard and available driver assistance features, including the brand's excellent Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system, makes the Escalade a tech lover's dream. Buyers can choose from a strong V8 or a diesel-powered inline-six, and this year Cadillac is adding a high-performance V-Series model to the lineup with mega horsepower. Time will tell if the new high-po Escalade delivers a taste of the athleticism the brand's sports sedans are known for. But given Cadillac's recent Blackwing-powered sedans, color us hopeful. As the flagship of the Cadillac lineup, the Escalade ups the ante on in-cabin luxury. Faux leather is used in the base luxury trim, but all other trims receive the real deal, with platinum models getting soft semi-aniline hides. Leather-covered dash and door panels, aluminum speaker grills, and adjustable interior ambient lighting provide an upscale appearance. Like the outgoing model, both a standard and long wheelbase model are offered, the latter of which yielding more legroom for third-row riders and additional cargo space. To truly deck out the Escalade in its best features, go for the premium luxury platinum trim. It adds semi-aniline leather, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage, soft closed doors, and an AKG audio system with 36 speakers. It also comes standard with a self-parking feature, a head-up display, and adaptive cruise control. In addition to the extra luxury features in the cabin, Cadillac has completely tricked out the Escalade in the electronics department. The main showpiece is the digital dashboard that's comprised of 3 curved OLED displays that layer on top of one another to create a cool 38 inches of combined digital real estate, some of which serves as the driver's gauge cluster while the rest projects the CUE infotainment system for the driver and passenger. The collection of displays is reminiscent of the Mercedes-Benz GLS class's giant monolithic infotainment setup, but the Escalade stacked setup creates depth and looks less tacked on than the Benz. Other tech features include an augmented reality navigation system and an available rear seat entertainment package that includes 2 12.6-inch displays with streaming capability, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are also standard. Audiophiles will be in for a treat no matter which Escalade model they choose. Cadillac has partnered with Grammy Award-winning audio and acoustics company AKG to develop the Escalade standard and optional sound systems. A 19-speaker studio sound system is standard on the luxury, sport, and premium luxury models, but platinum trims get the AKG studio reference system with a whopping 36 speakers. Cadillac's biggest SUV is powered by a standard 6.2-liter V8 engine that makes 420 horsepower and can deactivate half of its cylinders when cruising to save fuel. A turbo diesel 3.0-liter inline-six is also available. A 10-speed automatic transmission is standard with both engines, and buyers can choose from rear or all-wheel drive setups. As with its siblings, the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban and the GMC Yukon, the Escalade rides on an independent rear suspension that helps to provide a smooth ride. Higher-end models also offer an air suspension with adaptive dampers that use computer-controlled shock absorbers. At our test track, the long-wheelbase Escalade ESV with the V8 engine sprinted to 60 mph in just 5.9 seconds. The diesel engine doesn't deliver the straight-line performance of the standard V8, but for some buyers that compromise is worth the improved fuel economy and punchy low-end torque. For those Escalade fans with a need for speed, only the V will do. We don't have all the information on this model just yet, but we expect it to be powered by a beastly supercharged 6.2-liter V8, making over 600 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive Escalades are rated at 15 mpg city, 20 mpg highway, and 17 mpg combined. Adding all-wheel drive drops each of those numbers by 1 mpg. The last generation model carried ratings as high as 23 mpg highway And the Escalade's key rival, the Lincoln Navigator, offers more efficient ratings too. Opting for the turbo diesel engine makes a big difference, with EPA estimates as high as 21 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, an all-wheel drive Escalade with the optional diesel engine returned 26 mpg. This year marks the birth of the first V-Series Escalade. The high-performance Escalade V is likely to be powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine borrowed from the 10 Best Award-winning CT 5V Blackwing sedan. It also wears a menacing, blacked-out exterior appearance. Cadillac hasn't released all the details for the Escalade V yet, but when we find out more, we'll update this story with that information. We're expecting the rest of the Escalade lineup to carry over to 2023 with only minor changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.